You are just in time. So let's get right into it. I'm not riding solo as usual. I'm with my girl Lewe. Unjani Lewe, today is a Thursday. Is it not your favorite day of the week?
It is actually.
Right? Because I feel like plenty excitement on a Thursday, because we are not really in the weekend, but you just know it's one day away.
It's a build-up
right
into the weekend.
So if you missed out on any of our big stories and interviews, you can catch up with us on our social media platforms, specifically Facebook. So our training story is a post on Instagram that reads, employees no longer go through customer training. And a lot of people seemed to agree with this assertion and had a lot of experiences to share. Hey, Lewe. You know, there's that saying that goes, the customer is always right.
The customer is king.
The customer is king. But nowadays, it's like you need to bow down to actually get proper service. You need to be friendly. You need to go there smiles and chirpy. Even if you come across a rude customer attendant, in order for your staff to come out, you must be all smiles. I've had tons of experiences. I think if I share, because I don't understand how you're going to argue with me as the customer, as the payer. I keep this place running, me coming here is important for your business.
I don't know, Kuti, back then, did they go through customer care training, or they were just polite people? Because now it looks like it's a combination of no customer care training, and generally they're just rude,
rough.
This is not about customer care. Rude, and they don't care about the customers. You know, I think my worst experience will be, if you get when you get into a boutique, right? When you ask for a price, I need to kavunza price one, and asiri kunyatsoziva or asiri kukuda ada kukudza, then akazokudza ukangovunza zvinhu 2-3 achatokupindure zvachose.
You know what? It's you're so right. You are so right.
Rumbi on WhatsApp, Rumbi says people are going through a lot, guys. Yes, which is true. Same here as a customer, I'm also going through a lot. But mind you, inini ndikasabuditsa mari ndikasafara neservices, yo udakuzotambira. And it's a chain, and it's a supply chain. The customer, the supplier, the employee, chichibatana zvakanaka chienda takada. But yeah, already don't get more shop you want to spend money.
You know what I do? I like to window shop first and then buy, because I'm an impulsive buyer, right? So I don't like going into town because I'll buy useless things. I like to go to town, to shop around, look with my eyes, see what I want, and then those are zoka mangwana. But the fact that I got in, I touched your stuff, I looked at it, I smelled it, I felt it. You just suddenly someone is rude because I was kutenga. Like, I'm coming back, my sister.
But it comes up to this guy. I was in town with Miss Donna on Saturday. Panga pasinangana plan yokutenga boots. Tatenga boots. You know,
exactly. That's what we need. No customer care, which you get in not wanting to buy. Next thing you are now looking for cash.
You're right. It was like to Donna ngati tize ina nchana lokara munom and it azamwacho unondopinda autotenga because uri kutoziva mari wachona uri kuda kuzi pane imwe size here pane chi wakambotariswa as if wakambotariswa kuti asi ndinoda kuba asi wazviona paCCTV. What's going on?
Share your experience, please, on 0772162651. Remember, me too, I also want to hear your voice. Usendeke a voice note when I stand. Experience it because if I share, not it as Asha. So let me just allow you, please, because me, I'm not friendly. Just try me.